move down to part 5, which is your set screw, quarter 20 set screw to fit your quarter 20 drilled hole in your hilt. You'll need, I use a 1/4 inch length on that. Um, and you don't have to do anything to prepare it. And again, you can get that at Home Depot or Lowe's, and you need 2, and it's like 75% for a packet of 2. Next, we have the cellophane. The cellophane wrapping paper. You need at least 24 inches, and then you have to wrap at least 3.5 feet of length, and that can vary depending on how dense you want your cellophane to be. If you want less light coming through, you probably want to use a longer piece, and if you want more light, you probably want to use a shorter piece, shorter than 3.5 feet, but not too much shorter, because then it won't capture the light at all. And there's nothing you need to do to prepare it except for, as you'll see in the video, rolling it around a dowel rod or something similar, so that then you can insert it into the tube. Purchase link, just your local retail store. Cellophane is pretty available at like a Walmart or a Target. It's about $3 for about 20 feet of it. The blade tip, 1 inch acrylic half ball. There's nothing you need to do to it, and here you have the purchase link for US Plastic. It's about $1.25. You may be able to find that at like a Michael's or Joann's Fabrics. So if you're out and about at your local hardware store, you may want to stop by and see if they have these 1 inch acrylic half balls. Next, final part of the lightsaber is the blade tube. This 1 inch outside diameter polycarbonate tube by 24 inches or 2 feet, and the inside diameter, the ID, is 7/8 of an inch. That's the size you need. You don't need it to do anything to prepare it for the build. And here we have the McMaster-Carr purchase link. McMaster-Carr sells a lot of raw materials that you use for building machines and things. And for a 2-foot piece, it costs about $5.75. And so next we move on to what we need to do our paper circuit activity, which is in our learn section. Now, after we learn what electrical circuits are, we actually build a circuit. And for that, you need these items here. The copper tape, 1/8 inch by 55 yards. You can get that from Amazon at this link here. Smaller rolls may be available as far as length. You can purchase that if you can find them. You really only need about 12 to 24 inches of copper tape. Secondly, for the paper circuits, we have the coin cell battery, which is a 3.2 volt coin cell battery. Now again, some notes, smaller packages may be available. They'll run you probably around $3 or so. You can maybe able to pick that up at a Radio Shack or somewhere similar. Really the main thing to remember is that it's 3.2 volts. Here's a link to Amazon for that. And then finally we have our LEDs, or light emitting diode. The size we want is 5mm clear white LED. You can actually purchase any size LED that you want. This is the one we use in the video, so we know it works. And then again, you can purchase this at your local electronics store, like a Radio Shack or a Micro Center. But if not, you can pick it up here on Amazon. And this costs $5.30. That's actually for like 40 to 50 LEDs. So, and again, this is only for the paper circuit activity, which you don't actually have to do, but it's something It's very educational and get your hands on and kind of see and build your first circuit. So, and that's it in the build your own lightsaber shopping list. Pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about anything in the list, be sure to email me or leave me a question in the discussion forum and we'll get back to you. See you in the next video.